Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, you're probably wondering why I've got sore eyes and a blocked nose. Well, that's because guys, I haven't been smoking the Buddha. What has happened is the onions have been super intense. You know we love those intense flavors, and I had the wildest onions that I had to slice today.
Yeah, RJ, we know you just get emotional when it comes to cooking.
Well, you know what? I'll say it's emotional, guys. Usually Has helps me out with the onions, but today she had to put baby Zany to sleep, so I had to do it all alone, and this is the result of it. Now guys, as always, we're bringing you guys the most intense flavors ever. And what are we doing today? We're doing
intense flavors, guys.
Intensity. And guys, what we're doing is Afghani Hariyali chicken. Guys, you can do this as a grilled chicken tikka, but we're not doing that today. That's for another video, another time. Today we're doing it as the Hariyali, the Afghani Hariyali chicken masala. And you know it's going to be intense because we're always intense about flavors. This is the key feature.
Oh yes, and we will go into a deep dive of that in a second.
Come on, Haz, let's just do it now.
Yeah, now? Okay, let's go for it.
So, as you can see, here is my green chutney paste. Now, the beauty of this is it has 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 cups of fresh coriander, 5 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger. Usually this is finely blended, but that's more so for the tikka. But this is going to be nice and coarse because we love those intense flavors. And this is the main ingredients that gives us that abundance of flavors. Cashew paste. This is about 12 pieces of cashew nuts with a bit of water, finely blended. Half a cup of oil. Alright, oil's nice and hot. In you go onions. Give that a nice whiz and just break them up. As always, sprinkle a bit of salt.
Oh yeah. You're meant to get it on the elbow. Yeah. By the way.
Well, not on the munch life, guys. No way. We'll leave that for Salt Bay.
How long are we going to fry this for, RJ?
Only 5-6 minutes. We just want to get it just to kind of sweat a little bit.
Okay, and it's on high medium heat, yeah?
It's on a high medium heat. You know we like that sizzle. Cashew paste goes in.
The amazing mixture, guys.
Afghani Hariyali, guys.
And it's so minty, guys, and it's so coriandery. Oh. You know how much we love our coriander,
it's
guys.
Like a herb, herbs upon herbs. Guys, this is amazing. It's like herbs, garlic, the green chilies. You guys taste this dish.
Oh my gosh,
and you tell us.
Absolutely amazing right now, guys. No kidding.
Oh, I can't even explain this smell. It's unbelievable. You gotta be here to smell it. I just wish YouTube had the smell sensors so that you guys could smell it. It's absolutely unbelievable. These flavors. If you go to, guys, when we do the Afghani tikka style, you guys are gonna go nuts. We're gonna do that on a barbecue and charcoal.
RJ, how long are we going to cook this for?
We're not going to cook this for too long, about 5-6 minutes again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the chicken. Oh sorry, I need to add the lemon juice right now actually, I just remembered.
Lemon juice?
Lemon juice, we're going 4 tablespoons.
Oh, nice and lemony. You know we like that punch, guys.
You know that
we like that punch, guys.
That zesty punch. So it's been 5-6 minutes. And we are going to go in with the masalas now. So 2 teaspoons of coriander, flat teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of garam masala, our favourite mixed curry powder, 1 teaspoon, our chaat masala, and then black pepper, and then let's get the salt in.
Oh guys, check out all of that. Oh my gosh, if you guys can smell the mixture right now. Ooh.
Guys, if you guys can smell what the rock is cooking.
Okay, that's one teaspoon. 2. Are we going with 2?
2, yep. And salt to taste, but we go with 2. So we're going to cook this for a good 5-6 minutes as well, the masalas. In 5 minutes, in goes the chicken.
Oh guys, check out that green colour. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
It's all
look
coming
at that.
through,
And
RJ.
so guys, we're going to slow cook this one. That's the beauty of it. So all I'm going to do is put on the back hob now, which is extremely low heat, because our front one's deadly. So basically we're going to let that cook for 1 hour, and it's going to be tender, fall off the bone kind of chicken. But we'll see if we go that far, because sometimes you need to go more than an hour for that. But we just want it nice and tender soft. If you guys want to do it quick and you don't have that kind of time, all you do is just bump it up to a medium heat and cook it for like 25-30 minutes and you'll be fine. I'm just going to cover this now and let it do its thing for an hour, 15-20 minutes, however much time we have at hand. And then I'm just going to go in between and just sort of stir it here and there. Let's have a look. Alright, let's just give it a little mix. As you can see, it's got a slightly sort of a reddish, sort of orangey sort of tint in there. That's from the mixed curry powder. Now that is optional guys, but it's one of those things that just makes it look a little bit nicer as well. And also it has a few other spices in there. So it gives it a much better flavour. But as you can see, this is what we're looking for. It's a nice saucy dish. I've not added no water to this yet. And I'm not going to. This is just all the stock from the chicken and also from the marinade that I made. Okay, so let's see what's happening here now. Brought it back onto the medium heat now just to end it, and this is what it looks like. End product guys, Afghani Hariyali chicken masala. Beautiful guys, can't wait for this taste test. Look at that thickness of them herbs and garlic and ginger. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Look at it. Beautiful. Ooh, that's the one. That's the money shot. Now let's get a little mix in there. You can see these flavors are awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, there is such a distinct flavour and aroma, and guys, it's actually unbelievable. Oh my god, you know what, I'm gonna have to have another bite straight away before even discussing this, because this that just happened too quick. I need it to sit in my mouth a little longer. Oh my god. The best part is the chicken is so tender. It was just falling off the bone. You saw how quick I just picked that up. Now guys, I'm telling you, if you have the time, any curry that you make or any meats that you cook, try and slow cook it. It's another feeling altogether, especially with curries, because your spices get cooked slow and they get nicely married together, and it also just goes into the meat. And I'm telling you one thing guys, that dish is amazing in itself. It's so unique. Those herbs and garlic ginger together with the chilies, fresh chilies. Oh my god, if you haven't already tried this, go ahead and try it. The Afghani chicken masala is amazing. Soon enough, I'm gonna do you guys the Afghani Hariyali chicken tikka on the barbecue over charcoal. Trust me guys, you're gonna go nuts when you see this. But anyway, whilst I was doing this, I actually forgot, because I was so excited, I completely forgot to get a crunch, and I didn't even have a crunch with this. That's how amazing this is, because it's all fresh ingredients in this dish, in this curry. Guys, do you know, while I was doing this, by the way, before I forget to tell you, I was actually cooking another dish, which will come on the video, which we'll film soon, but it was just for a little treat. You know how we love that munch life, so we thought we'd cook this on the side while we shoot this video. Let's give you a little sneaky peek. Look at that. You know what that is? That's minced mutton, and this is called the Daba style keema. Beautiful guys. In this video coming soon. In the meantime, you guys know what to do. It's blurred, but you still know what to do. If you like the munch, go punch the like, subscribe and share with all the other munches out there, and don't forget to ding ding, hit the bell button guys.